What up, y'all? It's been a minute. It's been a minute. But since the last time I talked to you guys, had a little incident. Don't know what happened. Got a little bump. And it's weird because it's up here and down here, but it did not touch the body line. So now we gotta go take this to the body shop and get my girl back looking right. So can't be putting new carbon fiber pieces on the car and got a dent in it. Don't work like that. Priorities in life. So my body guy said he think he can save the panel. Don't have to replace it because if he did, it's a huge panel. It doesn't stop. It goes all the way over there. So we gotta get this show on the road, get this thing worked out.
The next day.
All right, we're here to pick up the car and it's ready. And I dropped it off Friday and it's Saturday. Dropped it off Friday at like 8:30. It is now 3:44 on Saturday. So they turned it around real quick. So, and it actually looks good. They're pulling it out now. Shout out to them boys, cause they got me right. Only said $100. I ain't mad at it cause I had quotes going up to like $4,000. The lowest other one was 1,000. So they got it together and she looked good. Paint and all. Only thing is, I gotta go get it washed cause it's filthy. Hey, there she go. Paint match real good, but like I said, it is dirt there. So let's get back on the road and get it cleaned up. And the repair is amazing. Actually, it looks good. The only drawback is they was working on a car, so they couldn't get mine out to clean it. And I thought, okay, the outside is dirty, but the inside, oh my God, the inside is trashed. Okay, not trash, but it's dusty from being like in a body shop. So, I mean, they completed the repair in like 30 hours. So I ain't complaining. I just gotta go home and put a little elbow grease in it. And it's about to rain, so maybe that'll knock off a lot of the dirt from the outside and we get it washed tomorrow or something. So anyway, I am extremely happy the car is back in drivable shape because I was walking around feeling like I had a black eye with that little dent, that funny little dent in the back. But paint looks amazing. The repair looks amazing. Couldn't even tell it was fixed. So happy with it. Saved me at least $500, a couple thousands if you wanted to go to certain shops in the area. So shout out to them Santos boys. They got me right. All right, let's get back home so we can take care of all this dust and shenanigans that's in here. All right, so check it out. You can see I got that all smoothed out. Looks good. I'm happy with it. But now we gotta clean her up. It's about to rain, so I hadn't had it washed. Probably get to that tomorrow, but for right now, let's get this inside together. Since it is just a little dust, I'm just taking a damp microfiber cloth with just some water, just to knock all the dust off, and we'll go back, or I'll let someone else, when I take it to get cleaned, go back and actually deep clean it. But for right now, getting all the little dust off, make it look presentable. filthy. So like I said, it is dirty, but in the end, I saved $500. And to get it clean, it's gonna cost me what, maybe 50? Get what you get. And you know, that's fine. I can handle that. Because I hadn't done a thorough clean in a minute. I just do my weekly car wash at SeaWorld. But yeah, too bad it's so late in the day. Otherwise I would have taken it to them to let them do a quick clean. But hey, there's always Monday. Might do that. Might take it up to Monday. Let them clean it up for me. Alright, let me get back to work. Catch you in a minute. Whew. Alright, I thought I was done, but then I forgot about the trunk. Woo! It's gonna take quite a bit of effort to get that. And it's a lot hot in this garage, so I'm gonna let this thing up. Get the last circulation. Baby! All right, I need a stronger vacuum. She ain't doing it. This looks like this is gonna be a job for a cleaner, somebody with like a vacuum cleaner that can like get in there, just let handheld and cut. It ain't perfect, but it's better than it was.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Couldn't take it, so I had to bring it to a car wash to get it all cleaned up, and I think it came out real good. She clean. It only cost me like $8. So hey, we in there. Until next time, back to the crib.